Hey guys, today we will learn a few different variations of how to do the double half hitch knot. Horizontally and diagonally will be one of them. You will start by placing your working cord behind your filler cord. Next, take your working cord and pull it up, above, to the left of itself and through that loop of your filler cord. Pull tightly and you have completed a half hitch. You are halfway done with completing your knot. You will complete the same exact steps, taking that working cord, bringing it above your filler cord, to the left of itself, through that loop, and pull tightly. You have now completed your first double half hitch knot. We will do it again. You will move on to that next cord, take your working cord, go up over your filler cord, to the left of itself, through that loop, and you will pull tightly. Repeat that step one more time to complete your second double half hitch knot. The direction of which your knots will go will determine how you hold your filler cord. So we will want to go in a horizontal motion across the dowel. So I will continue holding my filler cord across the dowel in that horizontal motion. You have now completed your horizontal double half hitch knots. Next, we will learn the diagonal double half hitch knot. This is the exact same way as the horizontal double half hitch knot, except for you will now hold your filler cord at the diagonal angle that you want your knots to go. You will continue to repeat the same process as you go down at an angle, and this will create your diagonal double half hitch knot. You have now learned the horizontal and diagonal double half hitch knot. Hope this has helped, and hit that subscribe button for more macrame tutorials.